Well, it's my pleasure to welcome you the new incumbent, uh, where today the country which is been progressing, which everybody was talking about, particularly Mr. N.V.S. Reddy, how the urbanization is taking place. 30% itself, I think we have been a lot of scarcity of the skill set. Particularly, in metros, which has been growing very fast, almost the first metro, which is DMRC, started early 2000s. L&T was involved, where we started with segmental constructions. The question asked, what about this segmental construction? Is it a correct choice, or something like an eye girders or something else? I'm talking about the elevator. So, if I recall, Dr. Sridharan is almost camping in Hyderabad, not Hyderabad, I think Bangalore, Sirsi flyover, where we were constructing the first segmental constructions using these, the glue joint. He was almost getting convinced, yes, this is a good choice for the metros, where you should do it within a segmental with glue joint, because you don't depend on, or rather the site where it is going to be a traffic difficulties, where the pillars coming up, traffic management, everything. So the only choice is you should have about superstructure should be in precast and should bring in to the way of the night times, and then join together, and then spans will be ready. So he is the one he converted into that the technology available within that city, rather within that India, and then try to implement that. That's the first entry of that the DMRC, where we have been one of the main contractors or design consultants, or rather in terms of the turnkey. We did the jobs, couple of jobs, including the underground metro. Still the project is going on. Now, when I've been shifted to Hyderabad Metro, my experience here, what I find is the real problem is there are a couple of issues. One is this interface management. There are many stakeholders, when we are predominantly Hyderabad Metro, I think we have been taking care of all the civil track work, and then OET as well as station, including finishing everything. So a couple of things coming from outside, which is the rolling stock, signaling, telecom, and maybe AFC, that is the automatic fare collections, where you need about the interface with respect to that the other stakeholders to come in and then do the jobs, so that your time for that commissioning, testing, as well as the integrations. So these two things set off the skill which is not taught in the college, but I am sure this postgraduate course should have been focused on that, and then that how you have to be connected, because individual have a skill set. What I think Mr. N.V.S. Reddy was telling, engineering is 30% or 35%, 65% is come from the other skill. This particular interface and the integration, it is going to be among in that 65%. There is engineering background, but you should do it in a manner of how to connect it, how to get along with the other colleagues. So I'm sure, I think the eminent teaching staff are there with the various industries in railways, as well as private, as well as the other sector consultancy. So I'm sure, I think this is going to be one of the world-class organization, or rather the teaching, the postgraduate. So sure, I think you will be getting in a really the rare commodity which is available in the market. So you'll have a very good future in your career, and I congratulate you to be a part of the team, and thank you very much for giving the opportunities, and once for all, good luck to you all. Thank you.